everyone, this is Uzma Kadri from Storm Overseas Education, and in today's session we are going to talk about writing task 2. And in writing task 2 we are going to talk about the structure of writing task 2. So we will discuss about the paragraphs, the introduction, the body paragraphs and the conclusion in a bit detail, right? So let's get started. So first we will start with what is writing task 2. Writing task 2 in IELTS will be an essay writing on some general topics such as art, TV, health, education, etc. right? And the advised time limit given to you to attempt this task will be 40 minutes. And you have to write this task in 250 words. So in total, you will have 60 minutes time for writing module, which is divided in two different tasks, 1 and 2. So you know that for writing task 1, you will have 20 minutes and the rest of the time, that is 40 minutes, should be spent on writing task 2. But it's totally up to you. You can manage your own time, but you just have to keep this in mind that you have to complete both the tasks in 1 hour. So it's totally up to you how you divide your time for this or how you manage your time for this. And for writing task 2, the minimum word limit should be 250 words. So be careful with this, that you don't go under length, because the task which is under length will get penalized, right? So make sure that you are writing at least 250 words, and it is good to write 10-20 words more to be at a safer side. Okay. Now we will start discussing the structure of writing task 2. So the structure is very simple to follow and very simple to understand. You will have introduction, body paragraphs and conclusion. So you will have 1 paragraph for introduction, 2 to 3 paragraphs for your body and 1 paragraph for conclusion. And now we will see these in detail. So we will first start with how your introduction should be for writing task 2. For your introduction, you should have 3 to 5 sentences for your writing task 2. And 3 to 5 sentences are enough. I mean, it is advisable not to write more than 5 sentences. And be careful, don't copy your topic sentence that is the question of your essay. So you're not supposed to copy your topic sentence. Instead, you have to paraphrase that topic sentence. So basically, the first sentence of your introduction will be a paraphrasing of your topic sentence. So you have to restate your topic sentence by paraphrasing. And paraphrasing means, you have to state the same information without changing the meaning of it. So to paraphrase, you will have different options. You can paraphrase the information by replacing the words with synonyms or with similar expressions, or you can simply change the form of the words, or you can simply change the order of words in a sentence, and your paraphrasing is done. Right after paraphrasing, you have to state your opinion clearly in your introduction if it is an opinion essay. So for opinion-based essay, you should be clear. You have to take a clear position in the introduction only, so that your reader could understand which side you are taking or which side you are on. So don't forget to state your opinion clearly if your opinion is asked. And after that, you will write a thesis statement. This is very important part of your introduction, and your thesis statement is nothing but 1 or 2 sentences that will express the main idea of your essay. So this is how your introduction should be, and now we will move on to body paragraph. So you should have 2 to 3 different body paragraphs, depending on the ideas you are going to discuss in detail, because you should have 1 main idea in 1 body paragraph. So if you are making 3 body paragraphs, that means you will have 3 main ideas. So your body paragraph should start with a topic sentence, and the topic sentence will discuss the main idea or the main point of argument or the main point of discussion. So your body paragraph should start with a topic sentence which will discuss the main idea of your essay or the main idea of your body paragraph. After that, you have to explain it by giving reasons. So you can explain it, by giving reasons or by giving, supporting details. You can even talk about the consequences or the results, whichever suits you, right? But make sure that you explain your idea properly. After explaining your idea, you will give one good example which will strengthen your main idea. So the structure of your body paragraph is very simple. You just have to keep this in mind that you should have one main idea. You have to explain that idea in 2 to 3 sentences. You'll give 2 to 3 supporting details for that, and you will give one example to support your main idea, right? So you have to have only one main idea in one paragraph. Don't discuss more than one idea, or just don't provide the list of ideas in one single paragraph without explaining it. After body paragraph, you will write a conclusion. The conclusion will be the last paragraph, and you have to write your conclusion in 2 to 3 sentences. Now here you should keep this in mind that your conclusion should be shorter than your introduction. So for our introduction, we had 3 to 5 sentences, but for our conclusion, we will have 2 to 3 sentences. In conclusion, please don't introduce any new idea or any new point which is not been discussed in detail in body paragraphs. So no new idea in conclusion. Even don't give examples in conclusion or in introduction also. So if you want to give examples, the best place is body paragraphs. So in conclusion, you just have to summarize the main points of your discussion, and you have to restate your opinion clearly if asked. So if it is an opinion based essay, don't forget to provide your opinion, or don't forget to give your opinion at 2 places, first in the introduction and second time in the conclusion. And you have to use the terms to conclude or in conclusion for the concluding paragraph. Please don't use any other terms like I will pen down by saying this and that, and to recapitulate, right? Because your writing task 2 should be academic and formal piece of writing. So avoid the expressions or avoid the vocabularies which are non-academic and informal, right? Okay, and these words are very formal and very academic, right? So this is all about the structure of your writing task 2, and I hope this will be helpful to you. Okay, so stay tuned to our channel for such other lessons and keep practicing. Thank you.